Good morning, students. Welcome to the English classes of Martin's Children Academy. This is English literature class for class 8th, and today we will discuss about the last part of the chapter, A Shot in the Dark, that we have discussed in our last video. In our last video, we all have discussed that Mr. Slatherby is welcomed by the Claude people or American people, and a lawyer at the railway station, and after that he was moving in a car to reach with Claude people and a lawyer, and it was a luxurious car. And now we will discuss about rest part of the chapter, what is going ahead. Then we have discussed that Claude people, Mr. Slatherby and a lawyer are traveling through the car for the Brill Manor, where Mr. Sapton Jago lives. And when they were going on the way, they have Claude people and lawyer is discussing about the car, and they are comparing that car and said that car is different from the horse carriage or horse wagon. And after that, Slatherby observed that there were two crests that were printed on the window corner and of the car. Means Slatherby is observed by the two pictures or two crests are observed on the window corner by Mr. Slatherby. And what two crests were? First one was running greyhound, and second one was Demi-Lion, which was told by Bertie, who said that his family used two crests, and but Mr. Slatherby hadn't believed Bertie. And because he was thinking that Bertie was wrong, and because the information of crest were not matching with his, because he had seen the crest of Demi-Lion greyhound on the correspondence that is used by Mrs. Sapton Jago to talk to Mr. Slatherby. So he is going to be wrong here. He proved himself wrong here when he see two crests on the window seat of the car, and now he is feeling very bad that he hadn't helped Bertie, because he was. And when they reached to the gate of Brill Manor, Claude people were talking about Mrs. Sapton Jago. They are saying that brilliant women, level-headed, a clever thinker, knows exactly when to take up an individual of a cause, exactly when to let him or it drop. Influential woman, I wouldn't dare upset her, but too restless, no response, good appearance too, till she made that idiotic change. Queried Slatherby, what change? Means Claude people are saying that Mrs. Sapton Jago is a brilliant lady, and she has changed in her appearance before some time. Then Slatherby is asking which type of change she had made. Then Claude people said that, what change? You don't mean to say? Oh, of course, you have only known her just lately. Claude people are saying that you, Mr. Slatherby, is known to Mrs. Sapton Jago some late. So you don't know that she had made some change in her appearance. She used to have beautiful dark brown hair, which were very smell worth her fresh. Means Cloud people said that Mrs. Sapton Jago had brown hair before some time, but after some time she had made her hair blonde. It's a change that she made in her personality. Here Mr. Slatherby is feeling very bad, because he is now totally he is completely sure that that was the Bertie who was the son of Mrs. Septon Jago, who wasn't helped by Mr. Septon Jago, and she is now very upset to think about his foolishness. So in this way, summary of this chapter is that Mr. Slather, by trying to uh, be so clever that he had understood Bertie in a wrong or a fake person, but reality is this, that Mr. Slatherby as a mistaken point, and he had and mistaken to understand Bertie and a fake person, because Bertie was real son of Mrs. Septon Jago. And in this way, this story is completed here, that is written by Hector Hughes Munro. And now we should stop this video here. So bye everyone, have a peaceful day.